So, if you weren't really paying attention, you wouldn't know this because of the price point right now, Shiba Inu. But investors are stocking up on Shib. We still have whale activity out there, still a lot of whales buying, but also retail investors are buying. Now, I will tell you this: it's not in droves or in a big enough number to be moving the needle itself right now, because again, the overall market is down and has a lot of bearish pressure on it because of macroeconomic conditions. Russia Ukraine war, global supply chain crisis related to COVID, related to the Russia Ukraine war as it relates to them being the food basket, fears of inflation, fears of recession, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We are still at an abysmal 17 on the extreme fear side of the fear and greed index. People are still very fearful. But in that scenario, we have people that are stocking up on Shiba Inu. We have buying pressure data coming from out of Coinbase. For example, Coinbase is saying that in the last that basically we've crossed the 70% buy threshold. That means that 70 on Coinbase, 70% of the people are buying Shiba Inu versus 30% are selling. Okay, so we've crossed that kind of magical number on Coinbase. It's just one stat, one metric. Coinbase being a very large, exchange, something to note. Some additional reasons why people are stocking up. Before I get into that, again, it's not enough to move the needle right now because of a $5.8 billion market cap right here that's in blue. This activity is not enough because we still have more buying pressure on the entire market because of those macroeconomic factors I've already mentioned, that I just mentioned earlier: recession, inflation, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, etc. Now, but again, it's relevant to the discussion so that you understand how the overall market is playing out and how it's going to continue to play out, and just to know that there is still some positives going on. Okay, so there is positive buying pressure. We had that Coinbase example. We do have investors stocking up. We keep getting little whale sightings here. People jumping up and getting $1 million worth of Shiba Inu. They were buying in dramatically at the 2 level. Show you right here, and we're at the 1.0 level right here right now. We had a lot of whale activity buying in at the 2 level, and then if you look at kind of the 1 month chart right here on Shib, this right here was the overall market just losing $800 billion in total market cap. I'm talking about the entire crypto market going from 2 trillion to 1.2, actually a little bit less than 1.2. That's what that was. And then you can see Shib stabilized in this 1.0 to 1.3, 1.4 range. Okay, so here's some possible reasons why people are stocking up on Shiba Inu. This is not all of them, but I want to reveal a couple of them. We did get Bitstamp coming on board, one of Europe's largest and most trusted exchanges. That was a really nice piece to the puzzle that we finally got. We've got some other things going on related to burning. We're getting consistent burning, good information and good acknowledgement on burns going on. Shibarium is on its way. We're starting to see kind of rumblings of Shibarium, which is Shiba Inu's blockchain, coming out in possibly getting maybe a beta version of that in the month of June, possibly. Okay, and again, some of the largest of Ethereum whales have been accumulating. Shib combined, the largest on Ethereum, can hold around 500 million at the current moment. So 5 of those whale wallets are holding that, and we are also, excuse me. We're also possibly seeing a trend reversal in Shib's future. There is a descending triangle in Shib's chart. The price could still break through even if the price breaks through the upper border of the pattern. Okay, with all this said, for me, what it really comes down to is that this is not a Shiba Inu specific scenario that we're seeing playing out. Okay, Shib's price has been pushed down not because of any fault of his own or any kind of cataclysmic event that's happened to them. It was an overall broad market move down. This right there, this number going from 2 trillion to 1.24. Nothing changed in Shiba Inu ecosystem. Nothing bad has happened or anything like that. It is an overall market condition scenario that you're seeing playing out. Okay, so thus when the market turns around and we start to get green bullish candles and consistent and sustained daily green candles moving forward in an overall positive sense of moving forward, then you're going to start to see Shiba Inu move. But until then, we're treading water, guys. It is what it is. This is where we're at. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day, and I genuinely appreciate you. Have a good one. Go make some money. I'll see you.